Welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday 25th of October 2016. So yesterday the markets making a move at the pre-market session. You can see there trading up very nicely until we got to just under the 18,250 level. The market then got into its normal sideways phase, rallied a bit thanks to the FOMC speakers Dudley, Fisher and Co. Then tried to move lower in the main part of the session before the market put in a sell signal and a profit off that one. I sent a note out just after this had happened saying that the market would likely trade sideways, and it did for a while, and then managed to eventually round over and go back below the 20-bar average and trade down to the 18,200. The evening session, well, just sideways, and it's taken until this last bar here. As you can see there, the indicator was hit for this buy, so the market doing absolutely nothing, as I said in my note, and this is a pattern that you're used to now. If there's a trade in the first hour, that's fine. If there's anything after that, well, treat it with some sort of caution, unless it's been quiet in the first hour, as we saw on Friday. Daily chart, well, just a mess really, sideways, stuck in a range. Again, I don't have to keep repeating myself, but this is obviously the run-up to the US election. They want the market up. They're doing their best to do it. Yesterday, even after the market moved down, they brought it back. And now you can see they're still attempting to get above this 18,263 level here. News, a lot of... we've got a few... central bankers out today then, so we've got Carney at 13:35 and Draghi at 4:30. Very interesting times to bring these two out, especially consecutively as well, so that's going to take off an hour's or so's trading, but fortunately the first one isn't due out until 3:35. And he tends to have, well, actually both now seem to have a negative effect on the markets. In days gone by, when central bankers spoke, the market just took off like a rocket. It was reassured that they were going to perform miracles and move the markets where they wanted to. And of course, they've run out of tools, as it were, at the moment, unless they're busy in their laboratories creating new ones to keep this Ponzi scheme going. 3:30 to 4:30, well, it's going to be around about 5-ish, I would have thought, before you get anything off this. Now, Tuesdays are notoriously difficult, or can be, because the market digests the news from the weekend, and again, you only generally get the first hour of some movement. But the fact that he's speaking at 3:30 or 3:25, you may not get too much, although he can be ignored as well. So again, just check the volatility, the range of the bars within the first 5 or 10 minutes, and if they're breaking the high of the first bar or the low of the first bar, then the market's got a bit of momentum within it. I'll just show you what I mean. Let's just have a look at yesterday. So we've got a situation here where the market moved. It broke the highs, but then came back, and then it made a new low, made a new low, made a new low. Got a bit of an inside bar there, but you can see there that the market was actually moving. It wasn't like Friday's session where it was just all sideways like this type of activity. So if it starts off like this, it's likely to remain that way till Carney speaks. But if you get new highs or new lows, then you've got the momentum required to move, hopefully move prices just for that first hour, in anticipation, of course. So implied volatility 1161. This up slightly, I think, if I remember rightly. Whatever it is, it's just very quiet, as you can see from the chart there. And Deutsche Bank still sideways, really, having pulled back off those lows. And that's really about it at the moment. Not a lot to report, obviously, for the main reason that I've spoken of before. Don't need to mention it anymore. But it's the 8th of November that we're heading for with this latest treading water scenario. Right, that will do it for today. I'll report in this afternoon. I'm not here in an evening on a Tuesday anyway, so if there's anything in the first hour, I'll hopefully pick it up. Other than that, I will speak to you in tomorrow's Market Alert, and as ever, thanks for watching, your support, and I shall see you in the next one.